Hello. Can you hear me? Test mic, test mic. Okay, I'm sure you can hear me, but my headphone is not connected, I think. How about now? Let's see. I mean, you can hear me, but I cannot hear myself. Okay, perfect. I'm not in the red. Let me see. How about now? Is this okay? I'm still not in the red. That's fine. Yeah. Sorry if I sound tired. Okay. So what happened? Well, okay. I mean, I ended this stream. I don't know how long ago, right? Might as well check. Yeah. So I ended, I don't know, like 2 hours ago or so, and then I said I was going to go eat, right? And I did not eat. You know what? Let's get the thing to run first, and then I can tell you what I did. Okay. So earlier the problem is this, right? So let's just get rid of it, and then wait. What is the diff, right? I need to listen to something, otherwise I'm going to lose my mind. I mean, I know I have a lot to explain. But let me try to not lose my mind first, and then I can tell you everything about what happened. Okay, so maybe I don't. Okay, that is fine. And then let's also move this well, does this depend on the other one? I hope not, right? I don't think it does. Okay, good. So I do this, and then I move yeah, let's also move this down. Okay, and then we can reformalize this by basically doing let's see. So I want different notation, right? So I wanted this, and then let's do like Python, why not, right? And then this is just a epsilon now, and then this is a tuple epsilon. I think this should work, yeah? No, why not? Hey, how do you do a tuple literal? Oh, okay, that is how you do a tuple literal. Okay, how about this? Is it going to work now? If I did this? I hope so. Hey, please work, please, 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 please. Whatever. Okay, good, perfect. So now, let's interpret to end. If this works, then we do some actual programming. I mean, at some point we'll do some prompting AI as well, because that is. I mean, I was mad, and now I'm going to keep being mad at the AI. But for now, let's see what do we have, right? So let's just move back to here, yeah. And then we wanted to say that, okay. Let me see. Hey, let's do this, yeah. Or not there. Maybe well, let's reset so things stay clean. And then we go here, and then we admit this, yeah. And then we say I think the key point is this, that I need this, and then I need this. Yeah, basically this is what I came up with on the way back, I think. So let's say I had this, yeah, and then a I mean in the last 2 hours. So let's try to see if this even works, and if not, we do something else. But yeah, so I wanted to say no, I don't care about this, right? I just wanted to say, where's this meeting? Okay. So I want to say this is meeting, and then here I wanted to say that oh, this is a what do I want here? I want a function of a um this is fine, yeah, and then a I don't know syntax. What is it? And then what? This I think. And then I wanted to say that a XL is XR, and a meml is memr, and also meet a XL meml. Yeah, I think this is what I want to say. And then a let me see. This is going to give me a Is this right? Let me see. So this is this, and then I have a wait. Maybe this is not well. Okay, first of all, this has to be this, yeah, and then this has to be this, and then this has to be a This is now this, yeah, and then I don't really care about this being +1 anymore, do I? Maybe I don't. Oh well. A I mean, there is also like, how do I even a can I not interpret? Should be able to, yeah. Do I need to reset again? Let me see. This is 5. I mean, maybe not 5, but I don't know at this point. Yeah, I've lost my mind long ago, so there's that. Okay, so let's say you have this, and you also have this. Then do I need something else? Maybe I think I don't. Yeah, maybe I don't, right? Because this already gives me a I mean, this is stronger than whole triple, I think, because this guarantees this. And then here I'm saying that as long as this is guaranteed, and this is also guaranteed. So I think I do have this. I just need to fix this cat tuple thing. I also need to actually get the thing to compile. It's not compiling. Why? Hey, just restart this, I guess. Yes, Hana not all good. Hey, let's see, if I had this, then and then I go over here. This time it should compile, yeah? Please, please compile. Perfect. Now I need to figure out like how to do cat tuple with just one element. Well, first of all, this should be just epsilon and s, but then this is also not how it should go. So a check cat tuple, yeah. A print a how do you do this again? A tuple empty val. So this is also a tuple, but then it's like, how do I well, this is not the right language. A math comp. Maybe that is a bit better. But then that is a okay. So this is concatenate, but I wanted to just a will I be able to just I mean, it doesn't hurt to try, right? Does this work? No. Why not? Because this is mid type, but then this is expected to. Oh, a sure. Then how about this? Oh, perfect. Now a okay, get rid of this, and then save, and then reset, and then we can. It's not resetting. Why not? Why are you not resetting? You are resetting. Okay, good. A let's see. Maybe I would just say a cannot spell. Reformalize a Pythagorean sequence rule. Okay, a now let me see. Well, it's still let's make sure the whole project build goes through, and then we can start prompting the AI, and then I can tell you all about what I did in the last 2 hours. A yeah. So let's see. A we have this, and we have this. Yeah. Hey, why is it building this? Do I care? I feel it's always building this. Why? Hey, did I touch? That is asking me to build this. I don't think I touched this file, but do I? How? Oh, did I? No, I did not. Right? I don't know anymore. Does not like really matters. Good. Yeah. So let's see. A Well, first of all, is this even? I mean, this seems true to me. Yeah. Because if this were true, then this is a Yeah. Let's find out. So, a we found out that that our this is a wasn't strong enough for our application, so we renamed it to a so we restated it and renamed the old version with a list from a pipe.v. A wasn't strong enough for our application, so we restated it and renamed the old version with a prime a or maybe I should just say as this. A Do you think the new version is sound? And if it is, and if so, is it a bit more useful in improving proving this more useful towards proving this? I have tokens, right? I hope I do have tokens. Hey, let's see. So yeah, I do have a lot of tokens, enough to stay up for the next like 2 or 3 hours. I mean, I wish I get this done and then we can still do V-Rising, but we don't know. Yeah. Hey, okay, so while it's working, I can say what did I do in the last 2 hours. So basically, I am at setting up SIM card, right? So I was going to go to this, but then it was just not open today. Yeah, so then I basically just decided that I was going to walk all the way to the metro station, so I did. So this was how long of a walk again? It was very healthy, yeah. Walked half an hour, good. Yeah, and then I grab a sports drink at one of the convenience store on the way. Yeah, and then I was like, okay, I might as well because I was craving ramen, right? So I basically just say that okay, I was going to take the metro from here to here and then walk from here to the ramen place. But then it was too crowded. I couldn't. Okay, yeah, it is still doing its thing. Good. Hey, actually, let me go boil water so I can make more tea. I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, so I went from here to here and I walked, but then it was it was way too crowded. Like both list and both of location had very, very long waiting time, like hour plus. So I basically just didn't want to wait. So I figured like okay, then what do I eat? Well, I just walk around randomly and I couldn't really find anything good to eat until I realized that there is actually a gyudon place. It was actually not on the map. It is. Yeah, okay. Earlier somehow couldn't find it, but then it was like it's closed now anyways. Well, it was not closed. Or maybe it was, I don't know. Oh, there's auto, yeah. Maybe I should have. Oh, it was also closed. Yeah. But anyways, yeah. So I saw this, but then I went to the Ichiran. It was like way too long of a wait. I walked back, and it seems to be still open. But at that point, I just didn't have any appetite anymore. So I just took the metro like directly back, and then I took the bus from here back to Sinica. And then I grabbed one of the let's see, yeah. Okay, looks now but need a more specialized distribution lemma. Because I'm comparing mixtures. And NKL chain rule reasoning gives a what is this? A continuation only needs to be proven on. Let's see. After a first, a will needs a more specialized distribution lemma. Then wait, why? Well, first of all, what is this? This is a yeah, I don't know if I sound better or worse by sounding like low energy will see. I don't know. At least like for me, when I watch the watch people I like, I actually kind of enjoy this kind of thing a bit. Yeah. But let me see. So what do we have? A let me see. So actually, I'm not sure if I'm speaking like directly into a mic because the mic is weirdly shaped. Maybe I should adjust the angle. Is this better? Is this worse? It sounds the same to me. Anyways, yeah, let's go back to this. So these are more specialized than this. So what is this? That is not the correct file. Probably sure I don't know. Maybe I should be named different things. Not that it really matters, but okay, so we have this and then we have this and then we have what? A this is pi this with final bind. A that makes sense that you would, yeah. So you will need to talk a lot about a yeah, about the a what is it called? Yeah. Need to be proven, yeah, okay. A oh, 5 second rule is much stronger. A let me see, let me blow my nose. Okay, a let me see. So yeah, let me think. That lemma treatments continuation witnesses for all support pair. You probably want a new bind on final diagonal. A let me see conceptually. Yes, a great. So great. A would you a let me see. A can I just ask it to do it? Maybe. A let me think. So a a yes this is a the old a what is it called? Was stated a stated with the old a with this in with the old version in mind, and it's probably a as outdated as the old version as this as this thing now. A let me see. So how do we do this? A what's this? Mm, would you state the would you let me see. Could you help me? Would you please help me state a new probability level lemma a distribution level lemma that I need to show this a program to show the soundness of this new of a new rule. Okay, now a so what did I do? Yeah. Okay, so actually I'm maybe a bit surprised because I know a lot of these Gyudon plays are open like 24/7. I guess this one is not. I know the one near Songshan Station is 24/7, not this one. Oh, I also saw Yakiniku Place. I feel like Um, well, no, like I feel like I will. I mean, probably just skip dinner today, and tomorrow I have a meeting at like in the morning. I don't fully know if I can make it, but anyways, I will try to make that one. After that, I would just go eat like something good, like maybe yakiniku or something for like lunch, or I'll eat something big for lunch, just make up for it. Maybe I don't know. Yeah. Hmm. Let me see what's going on this here. A second phase is, let me see, a all distribution find exactly where expected question mark. A Oh, my water's finally boiled. So make let me add tea leaves to my cup. I guess I can chat a little bit more. But yeah, I feel like this kind of thing always happens. Like no matter if I'm in Taiwan and in US or in the US, and sorry, no. Yeah, what was I saying? Sorry. Okay, making tea. I'll be right back. I feel like by the end of programming, I'm not gonna have the mental energy to wipe on Baron for like another hour and a half. So I mean, I probably won't wipe to Baron for that long. Well, I will because after this, I will have no energy to focus and I'll just die over and over again. Yeah, I don't know. Hmm. Anyways, where are we? Oh wow, there's something on my screen, so this does not look like double colon. Anyways, yeah, okay, so what do we have? Specialize the first phase to a single final coordinate error and concludes the final witness has this let me see, let's see if it makes any sense at all. So you are saying that hide this with final, what is this? I this with final. Where is this pi this with final nonsense? I feel like so much of this is just a okay, sure, yeah, whatever. So a it's doing like pi this with final by diagonal, okay. So a exists this and then pi this with final a let me see. I mean, PyDis has all the conditional coordinate machinery, so this is potentially fine. So I wanted to say what? I wanted to say that there is a let me see, what do we have here? A okay, I'm staring at this and being like mad. Well, first of all, why is this? Where is this I zero defined? Oh, is this like a global thing? A yeah, what is this I zero? A it's literally like the empty coordinate. So then in that case, this is like this has nothing inside, right? A but then what is it trying to say here? A this is empty function, right? So what is it doing? I feel like it's doing nothing sensible. A what is this what is a I zero? Is that the empty set? Why do we have I mean a bunch of it in the in this in your lemma statement? Don't know what's going on. Maybe I shouldn't be happy with it. symmetrized by this. So, oh, okay, yeah, of course. Maybe I then I guess I'm a bit less a little bit less unhappy, but still a mm, mm, mm. Yeah, maybe let's make it a bit prettier and yeah, this is I don't know. I was like, what the heck's going on here? To empty pipe chord. I don't know what's this. A what is empty pipe chord? I feel like there's like a bunch of things I'm not happy with. Whatever. Okay. Let's close this. I'm not gonna be reading a code myself. I mean, not going to be stepping through a proof myself. I mean, I probably will, but still, yeah. Okay, so what do we have in domain? Sneeze. Sorry. Okay, so what do we have? Is this sensible at all? So you have this, and then you have a for everything in the margin if for everything in either of the supports a you have sorry this looks very like I feel like this is going to not be provable because you have different like this is not what you want to see, right? Let me see. This is now a well, let's see. So your first a let me see. So what is being mapped to what? So a this is the first one, and then this is a tail. These are the tails, right? And these are the wait, which ones are a continuation and which one is a tail? The epsilon one is the a okay. So this is the first half. So the first half is good, yeah. And then a I don't know about this final thing, but whatever. This first half. Okay, so let's see the first half. And then the second half, you're saying that for everything, as long as a hmm, as long as it can be sampled, there exists a oh ew. So there exists a distribution, but then this is like a this is going to be really bad, isn't it? So how should I? Well, okay. So the thing about this PyDist is that a like this is um oh this is going to be really bad, isn't it? So this can depend on a okay. So now this can depend on the what is it called let me think here. So this can depend on the input type and stuff like that. So then if you want to glue this together, then this will be like uh there's no canonical what is it the omega. In that case this will be very hard to define and it will just be bad. Yeah, so let me see. A Oh, this is going to be a little bit, well, more than a little bit bad. So I wanted to say that this is a okay, let's see. A let's see here because this is going to be really annoying. So let me see. A this should be the a well a like different branches should have the same. Is this true? Yeah, different branches should have the same a omega and x. Otherwise, this will be really bad. A okay, so a what is it called? A stated is probably is looks a either false or very hard to prove. A maybe for a bunch of reasons. A one of them is probably lines 41 to 44 from a Python yeah, where the a what is it called, a global uh where the a what is it called, a thing. Hmm. Let me see. Like this is really tricky. Like how do I even a where this a where all this a global where this a global what is it called, a global trace a type a can what is it called, a um 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 a where now a this a because a omega is existential. A now this gives you a different omega prime unlike a of a 5.v, is the same file unlike of for each possible a and a omega c on line 3, and it becomes and is very unclear how to define a yes. What if we maybe I should say, do you think it help if we a what is it called, a move these things, move this a nice 41 to 44 out of the existential, so we have a what is it called, oh, different file, a online of a Python. This one is the a propriety version, that is the, yeah, that is a program logic, and this is probability. A so we have maybe a so we have a oh, did not copy this. Instead of just a instead of just this, and adjust everything else accordingly. Yeah, this is a yes. I mean, okay, freaking 流水账, or however you say in English. Basically, like, so far nothing something anything important so far. But yeah, so I came back to Seneca, and then I basically went to the, what is it called, Seneca being the list right here. Now I just grabbed one of those instant noodles that I said I was also craving, and then a what do you mean here? Product. Okay, a yeah, it's not. Okay, a prop type. Let me see. A then this is hidden in six, and this is a mathematically this is like, yeah. Mm, what's this? Witness space are parameters. What do you mean here? A where witness space are, but then P and Q are still. What is this? A split logic in two layers. Then for this, use a continuation premise, but then for fix a over fix producing only. Mm, make witness space uniform a for proving sequencing. The continuation needs to expose a uniform continuation witness a including enough distribution family data to, let me see, including enough distribution family data to, okay, yeah, a let's see if I have it right here. Wait, this is property, yeah, okay. And maybe I'm just going to do it and ask the what is it called, a ask the AI if I even did it, like, if it is even in the form that it likes. We'll see, yeah. A so I wanted to say that a okay, I want to move this here, yeah, and then I will say that a omega text, and then chord, and then final. Okay, and then this is like a, just do literally just this. The parser is going to hate me, but that is just what it is. Yeah, and then same here, yeah. A hey, let me see. Does this compile? Up to this point, of course. I mean, the rest of the file will break very badly. Why are you breaking? A Rhino is not found in the current environment. What do you mean here? Oh, do you want this? Is this what it's asking for? Oh, it is. Okay. A okay. Can you take a look at the diff at a path to see if this is a the changes I made on the first a 61 lines to the first a or maybe I should say on lines a what is it called, 31 to 61 are sensible, and if they are a would you help a go through the rest of the file, uh fix what could be fixed, and comment could be easily fixed, and comment out what couldn't, uh, fix what can be easily fixed, and comment out what can't. So the file would compile again. Okay, and see like what is this? A what do I even have? This is like bad. Anyways, where are we? Any rule that construct a new witness space can no longer keep the old conclusion shape rules that merely consume weekend. What do you mean here? This construction rule set that is fine. Like we have like next to no construction rules anyways. A comes to whatever. Yeah, what are we doing? Okay. I feel like I feel I've lost like so many samples. Please. Okay. Yeah. It says this one is easy to adapt. Yeah. This one is the scariest one. Good. Okay. So where are we? Yeah. Sample and sequence are fine. Yeah. So where are we? Okay, so what's the goal right now? We look well. The goal right now is probably to a Well, okay. The goal right now is probably to for today. I guess for tonight, is either to run out to spend all my tokens, or to a prove the what is it called, or to prove a this, whichever one comes first. Yeah, and then we see what happens. A Yeah, and if I manage to prove that, then and then we see if we have the energy to play V-Rising. If not, we just sleep. Yeah, and then tomorrow I do my morning meeting or not, depending on how bad this things get tonight, and then I go eat something nice. Yeah, in the afternoon. Okay, so what do we have? This is my pressure if we want to, yeah, okay. And then this is, well, at least it managed to save the hardest one, so that is fine, yeah. Okay, and then a sequence and compile rules, and then need uniform witness distribution. What's uniform witness distribution lemma? Okay, a right pressure if we want bind sequence lemma to construct a oh, that is fine-ish, I guess. A let me see. So we wanted different Okay, these two are fine. So now the hardest part is probably, well, let's first see what goes on here, like what happens here. So a attempted was shape is okay. A a fix the adjust path judgment again. Adjust path judgment to use uniform a simple space, or maybe I should just say use a uniform simple space for path judgment. Do I use has Codex done enough here to give a co-author? I think it does. It has, right? Yeah, it probably has. Sure. Hey, a now what? Now we wanted to a Okay, so let me see. A Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I guess the we want a the rules I'm the most interested in are a are this a let me see this, and of course a what is it called, and of course this a are the first two a how much are the first two not too, how difficult is it to a to restore the first how do I even ask this a how much difficulty do we a how much adjustment do we need to a is it simple to adjust the first two to the a to a new formalism, and the last one is of course a kind of worms a yeah. Okay, so it's thinking, which is good, yeah. Actual distribution kernels in build. So what does it mean? Okay, so one of the sample space a oh, we need to build sample space, which means we need like tuples and stuff. Let me see. Would it be easier if I literally just make a different change and just say this is a tuple now? Let me see. A It's just processing through explicit kernel, so it should be stated a name a process witness this a process construct. This is let me see. Like this is, or maybe this is still not the right shape yet. What if I have this as let me see, a blend of thing is that I would need a let me see. Well, this is a choice type, but then a but no, like this is the actual thing, right? So let me see. A hmm. Okay, so what is this? I mean, I already have the thing being exactly what this is. So let me see. This continuation is a horror, so there is no second Typhoonus family to synchronize. So it's just, it's just okay, yeah. So this should follow from a suitably restated post-process annoyance is that the conclusion now needs to name a post-process witness. A let me see. A can we just do some hard coding? A let me see. Maybe these are not the right shape yet. Let's see. So we have this, and then we have a well, we have tuples. So what if we have a let's see, what is this? A hmm. Let's see. So the size is L. So does a choice type of a tuple? Oh, this is not the right thing. Okay. A can I do this? Yeah. And then a does this thing have a tuple? I don't choice type. Does this have a tuple? A oh, perfect. Is exactly what I want to see. Yeah, so there's a tuple. Okay. A oh, but let is uniform tuple. We don't want uniform tuple. We wanted a unless we are happy with choice product, or we want some kind of like non-uniform tuple, which is probably also uh not any easier. A let's see. So you have a let me see. So this is tuple, yeah. But then instead of this, what if I just a do natural number to a thing? A but then that would be a function. So well, no, natural number to a thing is probably worse, right? A like okay, so what is this? A I mean this is something that we can probably brute force through, but then this is a let's see if what is this? So continuations of horror. So there's no second type witness family to synchronize, which is just post-processing the final output distribution through an explicit kernel. So a so we stated this. A annoyance is that the conclusion now need to name the post-process witness. A yeah, of course we do. Yeah. So if we oh. So even the theorem statement is unclear, right? Because now you have the yeah, get rid of this save. Okay, right. So now is the even the theorem statement is really annoying looking. Let me see. So a right. Let me think. maybe this is not the right shape still. Let's see. What do we have? Maybe this should be generated with a yeah. Maybe this is a maybe Py's judgment isn't the right shape yet. Maybe the maybe all this, all of a all of this a should just be generated using a function of a I don't know, I L a what's L, a to choice type, a what is it called, to choice type, a is that right? Let me see. A but then what does this give me? A let me see. Will that is the actual input, output, or whatever? A yeah. So this would just be a tuple, and then this is a wait, This is literally this, yeah. A what's it called? A wait. So what is this? A wait. This is really weird. A well, this and this are fixed, and then a should just be parameterized by a maybe instead of all the parameterization, a we should just have a we should just have x as the parameter, and then the what is it called, a should just be the should just be a tuple, a what is it called, a should just be generated using a this should just be generated using just be defined as a should be defined in terms of that kind of thing. A this is really weird. Be defined as the tuple type. A yeah, as the heterogeneous. Is how you spell heterogeneous? Heterogeneous, yeah. A described by a by x, and with the what is it called? Described by x, and I'll type a heap. Hey, L plus one tuple, L plus one tuple type. A now ins now for heterogeneous tuples. A how do we even do this? A choice type doesn't give doesn't give heterogeneous tuples. Doesn't support heterogeneous tuples out of the box. Let me see, right? Support heterogeneous tuples out of the box, right? Maybe we can write a helper to build it from from chprod. What is it called? Unless I already have one, maybe I don't. Do I? Don't think. Oh, choice vector maybe. Oh, is this what I thought? Um, is this what I already was trying to do? What is this? Zero is this, and then this is ch choice. What is this? What is this doing? A a What's this? A Hey, I think at some point I tried in a choice vector. Maybe we need to revive that and bring that back. Yeah. So let me see. You okay? Let me see. Yeah. So what was I saying? Yeah. I feel like I mean at some point I oh okay yeah. a Okay, feels much better. Yeah. Let me boil water up right back. Okay, the water is boiling. I also feel like I probably should be working on the theory project instead of this, but what do we have? Let me see. Why is it? Oh, concatenating. Yeah, let's find. Yeah, who cares? Let me see. Yeah. Okay, yeah, good. So, let me see. A, yeah. Let me see. And then Hey, is this what I think it is? Hey, yeah, and then let me see, define projection, yeah. Hey, hey, right, let me see. Okay, great. Redefine let's define this or maybe I should say would you please help me define this CHH vec and change path judgment again then and update this again then. Hopefully yeah, I should just say this. Good. Uh, okay, good. And then of course notation, but that is why it is. Yeah. A I think my water is almost boiling. Let me see. Let me change water rule. Hopefully that is a not gonna break. I mean, if it does, then it does. Yeah. I'll be right back. It is really funny that earlier I had no appetite when I was out there, but now I'm like hungry-ish again. But then I feel like maybe I should also try to be happy with not eating anything until like. Well, the problem though is that if I did that, like I actually just skip this meal and don't eat anything until like past noon tomorrow, then there will be over 24 hours, right? Yeah, which is slightly. I mean, although I feel like that is fine, right? Because yeah, like people have stay hungry for far longer and be fine. Yeah, it's just like lose weight, and I'm out of shape anyways. So yeah, I guess the other thing is that I don't know, should be fine. Yeah, the other thing is what is the way to put it? I don't know. Like, I feel like, I mean, I can just kind of remember how it was before and you'll be fine, yeah. So I feel like before I also did this, like, I don't want to say like very often, but so like this fun fact, like I have like, at least I think I have like very high pain tolerance and other kinds of tolerances because like for the longest time ever, I would just be very, very sad. And then they just kind of, how should I say it, just kind of do everything else. Yeah. So now I feel like just kind of got used to that, and now I mean I'm not very sad anymore, but I'm just not a yeah. I feel like a lot of like discomfort or whatever is just kind of dulled. Yeah, like just feels like nothing. Well, anyways, yeah, that is besides the point. Let's just be. What is this code here doing? Hey, I mean the thing does not belong here. I can say that for sure. Yeah. Hey, yeah, so yes, so now we are just waiting for a thing to well, I mean this is hopefully doing some funny oh this a thing because ordinal nonsense, sure. Uh there's like this like by contradiction or something somewhere, so it should be fine, yeah. In fact, like what is this doing even? Like this is this is some funny thing that's going on. Let me see. Fosrec, this is you serious? Like this is not how you do it. Like this is actually not how you do it. Uh, um, there's special way of doing this. I forgot why it's it, but it's definitely not this. Yeah. Uh, uh maybe I should just I don't know. empty. Yeah, what was it again? That I remember there was something that's much smarter than that, and something that like that there should not be. I don't know, like there is a mesh contradiction, unless that is the only a lin thing. But I thought this would also be a what is it called? Yeah, in functional definitions, it's actually force rect. A there is gotta be easier way than force rect, right? A wait, what is it even doing here? Like I feel like it's doing some very much nonsense here. A edge get is what? Um, what is this? Like, this is not. This is actually not what you want to do. Like, hmm. I mean, there is probably some better way to do this. Fine. Let's just see. Yeah. So you have this, and then you have like yeah. So far this seems sensible, but then what is this doing? So this is basically doing let a is this did he just get her for the ith element? This looks so ugly that I cannot believe this actually just get her for the ith element. A well first of all, why is it that you have like a when you match case zero, what do you have? Why is it? Oh, because you have the case zero as just unit, so you are just saying that you can never match case zero. Otherwise, you are getting the a sensible thing. Yeah. Oh, you are changing your thing again. Why not? Like, why? What's this? Just be unit. A don't know what is going on here. Don't hate to see it. We all hate to see it. We hate to see it. This is terrible. A but yeah, like listening to Koha makes me feel I should I mean maybe not should, but it would be nice if I could learn how to sing one of these days. I mean probably not like anytime soon though. Also, I don't know, life is a too I don't know, too short to learn everything. I feel like I don't know, maybe I should just try to get good at piano and that's just maybe the beginning of and the end of like my music, whatever. Yeah, I don't know. I how should I? Where are these like or choice type thing? Like, why is it not just choice type? Why is it or choice type now? A or choice type. A what's the difference between or choice type and just choice underscore type? Uh, okay, so or choice type. Um, a feel it should be this, so I don't know why is it or choice type. A hmm. Like this entire situation is really, really, really strange. Eh, well, yeah, why is it this, right? Eh, eh, yeah, let me see. So the chemical heterogeneous weakness should be, huh? Have this with final leftover choice. Does it really? Because if it does, it should not. A probability and then a let's see. So pipe this with final. A pipe this with final. Pipe this. A core maybe. No, where is it? No, then it must be here, yeah. Wait, am I looking at? Oh, wait, no, really? So this is a let me see. So you have, oh, because math comp. Yeah, so this part is math comp only. This part is not SS proof, right? And because of that, now you have everything as just like choice type with this math comp choice type. So now because of that, you need to a let me see. So you have this, but then you have a this is going to be very ugly, isn't it? So this is a well, what is this? Mm, yeah, I feel like there's a lot of like casting going on, and that is going to be really bad. Mm, okay, so let's say you have this, yeah, but then it's like okay, but then your last tuple element, the I'm losing my mind here, but like this is going to be a well, this is going to be like choice underscore type. So this is not the right thing. Like, and if you had that, then pretty much everything here will have to be choice underscore type. A yeah, but then the underlying a what is it called? A yeah, there will be a lot of really annoying casting going on here. A hmm. This is. I feel actually just losing my mind now. Yeah, and I feel like not having appetite and not eating earlier really. I don't know. Although I still have no appetite, it's really really strange. Like I'm hungry but I have no appetite. So yeah, it is really bad. I feel like it's just me losing my mind right now. So yeah, I don't know. I wish we would just get why is it done like as soon as like soonish. Yeah. Well, eh, it is spending like 20% of its usage limit on like on stuff that is like should be simple-ish. So I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, what else do we want to chat about? Oh, well, I guess I could have went to a noodles place, but no, like, well, the problem, well, the noodles place out there is actually pretty good, but I mean, it's probably not open until, well, it's open until 2, so I actually still have a chance. But then I want this to fix this. I also have instant noodle, the one I just bought, but then it's so high sodium. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Funny enough, though, if I went out again to the city hall area again and go to Ichiran again, it will probably have seat. Yeah, like I mean, it cannot. Like I mean, I don't think anyone else is like. I don't think there's a line until like 2 or 3 a.m. That would be crazy. But then the problem is that I would not be able to get all the way out there anyways because metro is also a yeah. Okay, this is like finishing. Okay, 14 minutes. Hey, let me see. Maybe I should first say that this is good, but then I should also ask like what is going on here with the choice underscore type versus choice type. Yeah, a or maybe let me just ask directly on a line I don't know 69 of a pi dot the what is called this program logic, yeah. Why do we have a or choice type now instead of a choice type? A and I guess everywhere else too. A Why not just a choice type as access proof probably has everywhere else? Uh, yeah, this is why it is. Now it's gonna spend another 15 minutes here, which is why it is. Yeah, and let me see. It was already there. A where? Sometimes yes, yeah. But then, but doing that will make the logic less general. Will only apply to a let me see. Let me see. What to make a consensus with AE.V and Hor.V? Like this is a mean AE.V. Oh shoot. Like okay, so we do have ultras type everywhere. A this is very strange. This is very strange. Yeah, fine, but if it goes through, then it goes through. Yeah. So a let me see. This is local stuff. Yeah, okay. And these are semantic structures. Okay, so this is stronger. Then let me see. So, for example, this quantify over a okay. So a class SS for coercion interpreter from this to semantic types. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Good. Maybe I'm happy with it enough for now. Yeah. So now what is this? A pipe omega is just this. Yeah. And then pipe coordinate. Oh. Do I? A this looks very scary. What's going on here? Okay, so I have this, and then I have a pipe final and pipe coordinate. What is this doing? So pipe coordinate is a let me see, a okay, so you have omega, and then you are saying that you are grabbing the a case E, and then a by define. What's this? So a what's this doing? Well, I mean, maybe I can just believe this for now, even though I really don't like it. And same here, I guess, just so we have something to work with. A a hget hget this one. Okay, sure. And then that is sensible. Yeah. Actually, I don't even know if it's sensible anymore. So 0 is not reachable, and then 1 is why is 0 not okay? Oh, so this last one. Okay, sure, yeah, whatever. Okay, good land, I guess. Okay, okay. So now let me see. Adjust price judgment again, I guess. Adjust I don't know. Make price judgment. Parameterize price judgment by only a by only types a by types only a by tuple a by tuple of a types. I don't know. A sure, whatever, yeah. Okay, and then a okay, so good. A I guess with this, okay, a going back to where we were then. A I guess now a hopefully, I should say maybe hopefully a this puts a this and a what is it called, and this with enrich and then at some point also have this and this, yeah. Restore this, and then a let me see, this is still a hard one. Okay, so a let me see, zero loss. So then this is a distribution. Yeah, no, this is binding. That's fine. Yeah, and then a still a hard one, but it's hard structure. Yeah, so now it needs a canonical coordinate family because this is a helper lemma for CH fact. A okay, a let me see. Hmm. A what about this land? A let's say if we were allowed to assume this. Will we be able to show that to prove the soundness of this? Maybe just how difficult, right? Oh, misspell whatever. Yeah, I think it understands anyways. Still looks not real, but not good, but less conceptually scary. Engineering hard, logic design hard. A let me see. Mountain but numerous. Yeah, okay. And then no next question. Freaking. Oh, last final. Oh no no this is deliberate. Yeah. A if this is okay. Great. Let's do the following then. A restore restore this, and then restore restore the statement of this a with proof omitted for now. A delete delete the old commented out and as well, and any what is it called, any lemma in any stale lemma a in in I should just say KL, right? That that was used to build towards it. A if not too hard, a maybe this is fine for now. Yeah. See if we can if it does. I mean, I don't know if it's too much, but yeah. Hmm. Well, okay, so I think the kind of hopeful thinking now is that a basically, how should I say this? A so I don't know, like next week onwards, hopefully I'll be spending a week on campus, right? So while that is going on, I would be hoping that I would be able to do like theory work while letting the AI run on this. But I don't know how true is that. So yeah. If not, then maybe I have to focus on my theory work because that is like this programming work, it is going to get done one way or another. Yeah. I don't know. I feel like I also talk too much about like work. I mean, this is Saturday night, which is like maybe the furthest it ever gets from work, and it's also summer vacation. And this is, I don't know, like, yeah, this is just too much. Yeah, maybe I should just. Is there something wrong with my nails? I hope not. Hey, is my nail split or is it just a piece of skin? I don't know. This is why it is. Yeah, I guess I mean if I let me see a conclusion is of course definitely one more, yeah, okay, of course a constraints for, okay, yeah, sure, whatever. I mean the thing is super ugly, but that is just what it is. I'm surprised I still have so many tokens after that, to be honest. I mean, to be fair though, it's been a long day. So I guess one option right now, or at least now I'm feeling a bit less bad about this. Like everything seems to be kind of on track. I guess an option is for me to just make instant noodles, eat it, and see if I feel like playing V Rising after. Because I feel like this, at least there's no more like theory blockers that make me a let like what is it called? Yeah, a yeah, like no theory blocker that makes me nervous. So uh I feel like next few steps should hopefully be me just thinking up better conversation topics and then point the AI at it while doing a chatting stream or even Japanese study stream or whatever. I don't know. Do some kind of stream that's not gaming while waiting for AI to do this. Or I don't know. Even do this during at work, like at on work days. I don't know. Okay. Oh, so with store without proof. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Perfect. So a cons choice. Yeah. If unleashed, then otherwise a what is it called? What is it trying to do here? Hey, if this is this, to me by is what is this? Hey, there's a lot of dependent type programming. Hey, what is this? This is some Jalen. Oh, so this is match. Yeah, so this is matching, right? So you are matching this against this, then you say this. Otherwise, it is a some default thing. Is that what's going on? Let me see. So a oh, it is right because it is literally saying that a well, I guess I don't know. Well, unlived is what is unlived? I feel I should know. Oh, this is a the last. Wait, is it the zeroth element or? I feel like wait. So if you unlived, it is a oh. So it's like okay. I think I see. I think this is right. Okay. A so why is this? So I wanted to say a let me see. Um uh so I just want to yeah, let's see if this can even be proven to begin with. A what is it? Well, okay, maybe I before I go there even I just want to see how bad this is. Well, surprisingly, this has survived all of the change, like all of the changes. So now yeah, okay. So great. Now a can a can this and this maybe I should say this and that be proven a with what is currently in a probability or a do we need to state and admit a new probability lemmas? A yes, this is all this is like canonical 5 omega refactor is scary, yeah, whatever. A hmm. I feel like we've been programming for not that many hours, but it feels like we are tired. Like I don't know, 6 hours maybe a bit. Yeah, I don't know, not quite okay. Hmm, existential witness data, but then this is a sure. Let me see. Okay, let's see. So what do we have? A pipe this or whatever. A what was it? A what was it? Pipe this with final post process. A oh, so these are a by coupling. Ah, okay. Maybe then a what about and this are unused right now, right? Probably used by the older versions of a by the older versions of a Hive AE and the Wise Code. A of the of these program logic rules. A how about we modify them directly? A their statements directly. A update their statement directly. See if we can adapt them to a mm, I was trying to say a let me see. How see if we can adapt them to for the new for the new formalism, or at least or just replace them in favor a of new ones, the newly stated, or in favor of whatever we need to a state, new lemmas we need to state. Good. A I guess I'm kind of like debating if I should burn the rest of the token, if I should just call it. If we've been at it for like what a it really doesn't feel like 6 hours. I mean, earlier the stream earlier was 4 hours, right? And then this was like one and a half. But I mean, there's this like funny idea of like people need to work like 8 hours a day, right? And I feel like I haven't. I mean, I have not worked 8 hours today, but it already feels tired. So I don't know. Yeah. Oh, and earlier I said I was going to read the manga between the two streams, and I did not. I don't know. Hmm. I guess the other question is if I call it, what do I do, right? Either we do a rewriting thing and just die over and over again because we are like tired for the day, or we play one of the MMOs, either WoW or FF14. Because I feel I have so much caffeine that I just don't feel like sleeping. Or maybe I go make an instant noodle and I'll feel like sleeping, I don't know. Either that or I go out to a convenience store and get something healthier than instant noodles, like a salad or something. Am I even hungry? Maybe I'm not hungry. I just drink like meat and be fine, or maybe I don't even drink that. Yeah, I don't know. Hmm. Yeah, whoa, that's a very long proof. Is this a proof I'm looking? Ah, of course, like why? Fine, let me, what is it called? Boil hot water, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now, this is a lot of like, I don't know how to describe it. It's a mix between like, well, I guess the question is really like if this is dependent type scarf or if this is AI slop. I feel like it's a little bit of both, to be honest. And I don't know what to do with about this. Like, this is fine, and this I really don't like. And yeah, I mean, in terms of like this program definitions, I mean, if they it's like yeah, if we have to do, I mean, fine, this is not a program definition. That one is fine, but oh, actually, none of this is program definition anymore. So really, the only wait canonical. Oh, it is doing some kind of refactoring. I don't know if it's refactoring into good things or bad things, but it's refactoring for sure. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, is it refactoring into anything? Oh, it's probably in the what is it called? Is it in AE? That no, that cannot be in AE, right? It's just this. Yeah. Yeah, is this a this like a different type nonsense? Let me think. So, is there any way I can write any better? So, I mean, this part is fine, but then this is like, okay, so what is this? This is a, what is this trying to do here? It is taking one of, okay, so it's parameterized by this, and then it's trying to, okay, so it's trying to index things. So why is indexing things so hard? I guess is maybe one of the questions. Hey, because this is, can it not be a fixed point? Let me think. Hey, why is this like very scary looking thing? Hey, okay, I updated this instead of okay, yeah. So, okay, so these are both proven, great. Hey, now great. One question about this. This. Uh, and this that you wrote earlier, by the way. Maybe I should say wait, one question. There seems to be quite a bit of dependent type programming going on. Is there any way to make it easier on the eyes, maybe with program definition or breaking out some lemmas? Yeah, this is scary. I hope it gives me a better, like, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, even this is okay. Yeah, generic protection for archon ships. Oh, that would be very, very good. Yeah. Yeah, I guess there's even like for this, I was a I mean there has to be some kind of like fixed point induction based thing. Like this is this is just crazy, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I mean I hope it comes up with something. I don't know what, but I hope it comes up with something that is easier to Hey, I mean even this is like scary. Hey, yeah, maybe after it's done with that, I will ask this thing about HGAT. Maybe I should just ask right now as well. Hey, and maybe I should ask now. Hey, HGAT is scary looking too. Maybe we can adjust it while we are at. Maybe we can try to what is it called? Make it make it a bit less scary too. Hey, while we are at it, yeah, let's see what we have to work with. Yeah, dependent pattern matching. Yeah, I mean that's exactly why it is. Like this is actually just oh. I mean, yes, this is a fixed point. Good to know. Okay, this is now. Yeah, this is a little bit better. Quite a bit better actually. And then what's this? Eh, not much better. What's this? Like, do I mean, what's this? You have this, and then you have a. I mean, this is a fixed point for sure, but then this is like I don't know what's going on here. Okay, fine. So I have this, and then I'm sure at some point I will stare at this a little bit longer, and maybe I would not hate it as much. Shouldn't say I will always hate it, but yeah. Okay, so I promoted this generic. Let me see. Yeah, okay, and then this is a bit less dense now. By adding this, and then this is saying that okay, recursion tail, and then has is but then it's same as H has, which is pretty okay. Let's get what's this? Let's read this, yeah. So you have okay. So this is fine looking now. So this is a okay. So all of these are like less scary looking now, and this is like I don't know a well, this is much shorter and maybe much more reasonable, and so is a hopefully so is this. But then let me see. Uh, what is this? Okay, maybe it's fine. And then this is, I guess, this funny thing my advisor says that because we are already using the proof assistant, like using Rock, like he would be like very surprised if we cannot prove this, or maybe he would not be surprised if we could prove this. But to me, the more you look at it, the less true this sounds, right? That like if you're looking at this and you have no idea how to prove this. What's this? A okay. So pi r conscript a. I mean, this is still a program definition, and scary looking one at that. A one of these days we'll have to pay back a technical debt, but I feel like today I am too like tired to actually to have a good sense on what looks good. I feel like nothing looks good to me right now, so yeah, I don't know. Okay, so we have this, and then hmm. Well, first of all, what is this? Okay, now this is more reasonable, and then this is what's this? Huh? This is property Python. Okay, good. So you want to say that if you have coupling with what's coupling with loss? Oh, okay, yeah. A if this is one, then okay. So if you have coupling and this is well, what's D zero? Oh, this distribution. What is coupling with loss? Oh, okay. So it's just perfect coupling, yeah. With a well, I don't know. Okay, and then you have this. That means a there exists a oh, this seems true, yeah. A well, this thing seems like relatively reasonable now. So a I probably should instead of make this a what is it called parentheses, I should just rename this to be omega. Yeah, but that is besides the point. A hmm. So you have this, and then you have that is a lot of this dependent type programming should be a well, I guess either I will have to clean things up manually, or I just embrace vibe coding and say that well, I mean this is just how AI does it, and we'll just have to let AI do everything from now on, so we never have to look at the terrible looking thing that is like yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I feel like basically, yeah, at this point, I feel I kind of lost the, oh, this is, F1 is always going to be empty, right? So this is like, there's no point here because if this is length one, then this is just going to be a, yeah, right? This is probably let me see. Well, doesn't really matter so much, I guess. Is this? Oh, is this perfect cross? Okay. So what do we want to say? Do I just write like payback technical debt? I think so, or maybe no. This is restore. Yeah. So restore some start restoring. Okay. Start restoring a broken Pyth rules. A co-authored by Codex. No reply. OpenAI.com. Okay, thank you all. I will probably not play V Rising. I will eat something and will decide what to do. Maybe I mean I will play V Rising sometime, but I mean if you guys will see if I come back tonight or not. Probably not low. Yeah, good night guys. Sorry about being low energy. It's why this. Yeah.